guys, welcome back to my channel. Being in my mid 30s, I've recently touched 35, and for me right now my skincare is topmost priority when it comes to taking care of myself, because I've started to see some fine lines and wrinkles and crow's feet and signs of aging on my skin. In this video I'm going to share with you my honest review on the new Lotus Herbals YouthRX range. I have the day cream and night cream with me, and I'm going to share with you my review on these. I've been using both of these products for the past few weeks, and I think I have my mind set on something. So without further ado, let's get started. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated of my new videos. And now let's get started. So I'll come to the packaging first. Both of the products, they come in this gold and purple packaging. This one is the day cream and this one is the night cream. The golden tub, this is the day cream. It comes with a purple cap, and the night cream has a purple tub and a golden cap. So both of these together, the day cream and the night cream, they form a good combination for moisturizers for you if you're looking at something which will help with your signs of aging. The Lotus Herbals YouthRX range comes with the revolutionary Gineplex Youth compound derived from potent natural ingredients. It is clinically proven. The range is clinically proven for accelerated lifting, firming and protective action on your skin if you're looking at fighting the signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, dry dehydrated skin, and if you have sagging skin, if your skin is lacking glow because of the natural aging process. I think this is the kind of range that you should be looking at. I'm going to talk about both of these creams in detail now, and I'll also show you the application. First is the day cream, and this is what it looks like. It is slightly pink in color, and this is what it looks like. And I'm not wearing any makeup, so I'm going to show you how it gets absorbed into the skin. There you go. This is what this is how you apply it. Just dab a few dots all over your face and massage the cream into your skin, and it gets absorbed without leaving any heavy stickiness or something on your skin. The range is clinically tested on Indian skin, so you know that it is going to work on skin, on your skin, because our Indian skin, it has its own requirements. We live in a different climate as compared to products that you import from outside the country, and they may not be meant for your skin, but this range is specifically tested and it is meant for Indian skin, so you know that it is going to work for your skin type. And the range is preservative free. It is a natural solution for signs of aging because of the Gineplex Youth compound. Next is the night cream, and it comes in a packaging like this. Night cream looks like this, and it is a white cream, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you the application here. So I've applied the night cream here and the day cream here, and the night cream, I find it to be a little more moisturizing, a little more hydrating as compared to the day cream, which gives you a slightly matte finish. The night cream feels a little more moisturizing. Night creams are meant to be a little thicker as compared to day creams, so I really like that the day cream leaves a nice matte finish, no oiliness on the skin, and the night cream, it feels a little more moisturizing, and it's through the night it works really well on the skin and leaves the skin feeling soft and hydrated. So using both of these creams together has been working really well for my skin. First, there have been no breakouts, so it is suiting my skin. That's my number one priority when it comes to any skincare product. It should not make me break out. Next, the products do not feel very heavy. The day cream is, it gives a nice matte finish, and the night cream is very hydrating. So the products do not feel really heavy. They're not heavy on fragrance. They work on reducing signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. The range hydrates your skin really well, and it gives a firmer, plumper feel. With just a few days of usage, the skin starts feeling firmer and plumper, which I really like, because with time your skin starts to lose its glow. it starts sagging. So all of those signs you can definitely avoid, and I'm sure with regular usage over a few weeks, the fine lines and wrinkles, the crow's feet, they are also going to be taken care of. But for now, I'm really happy with the results that I have achieved, and they are soft and moisturized skin, which is which feels great. It feels very smooth to touch, it feels firmer and plumper, and no breakouts for sure. The range is really good. So those were my thoughts on the Lotus Herbals YouthRX range of products, the day cream and the night cream. I'm really enjoying using these products right now. If you're looking at targeting signs of aging, then you must definitely give this range a try. If you want to, you know, take care of the fine lines, wrinkles, sagging skin, dull looking skin, definitely give this range a try. The range is meant for all skin types, and if you're you know, in your late 20s or starting in your 30s, definitely give this a try. Start using products like this, which are meant to target signs of aging. 30s, late 20s and early 30s is the right time to start using such products. And you know, I'm going to leave the links to these products in the description box down below if you're interested in checking them out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more. Check out more of my videos over here, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.